What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode of Mom and Papa Joe. Today on the menu, we're looking at ribeye. We've got a beautiful prime bone-in ribeye. We're going to reverse sear that on the Weber. Probably throw in some steak fries. This should be very delicious. First time here? Hey, please check it out and then hit that subscribe button. We think you're going to enjoy what you see. Let's get started. Let's rock. Here's that beautiful prime ribeye, bone-in. It's about 1.25 inches thick. I salted overnight, put it in the fridge on this rack just to dry it a little bit. Very simple. I'm not going to do any trimming. Got some plain olive oil. Just going to give this a light brushing. The steak is pretty dry from the overnight in the fridge, so we need something for these rubs to stick to. Seasoning is going to be pretty simple. Plain 16 mesh, black pepper. You want to hit it, sides and all. Just remember there's already a little salt on here. And then we'll come back with chupacabra's steak seasoning. Lots of herbs, pretty well balanced. And we'll head outside and get this Weber cranked up. All right, got the smokinator set up with exactly 15 briquettes in it. It is fully lit, so I'm not trying to slow burn. I'm going to be looking at maybe, give or take, 45 minutes to an hour to get this up to about 110. As usual, vent over the protein, wide open, to draw a little smoke. Let's get to work on these potatoes. We got 2 medium-sized russet potatoes. Gonna knock off the ends. We're gonna rinse these off, just try to get off some of the starch. And then we're gonna get these in some boiling water for a couple of minutes. And a quick, delicious condiment for these fries. Hellmann's mayonnaise, maybe a 1/4 cup, don't need a whole lot. About 1.5 tablespoons of ketchup, maybe a teaspoon of dill relish. I wanna get some of that juice in there. Some garlic powder. And some finely minced onions. Not gonna put it all. Yes, I will. I'm an onion fan. Money. Our water is at a vigorous boil. We're just gonna come back with our rinsed potatoes, and we're looking to boil these for 2 minutes. I forgot to mention that I salted the water, and the 2 minutes started once the water returned to a rolling boil. So we're right there right now. I'm gonna pull these potatoes, drain them. I'm gonna dry them off and let them cool. Clean towel, put back in here my parboiled potatoes. We are at half an hour. I'm gonna flip this and get a quick temp check to see how we're doing. 100 degrees. All right, so maybe only another 10 minutes. Let's keep rocking. So I'm gonna come back now, get my fries into a baggie, and I want to be gentle. And I've got 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I just want to be gentle, get them coated, and get them ready for some hot oil. It's been another 12 minutes, dead center. I'm looking at 110.5. We're gonna pull this, let it rest, remove the smokinator, open up our coals, add some more, and get it screaming hot. Our oil is at 320. We're going to gently get these in here, and we're going to fry these really low, 320, for about 12 to 15 minutes. We're right about 13 minutes, man, and we're starting to brown. So I'm gonna pull these. Man, they feel crispy. We'll give these a couple of 5-10 minutes and then come back at 350. All right, our coals are good to go, man. We're just gonna be doing that quick flip technique. about 30 to 45 seconds and flip it till we get to about 128. Shut up, dog. I don't know how many flips it's gonna take, but not an issue. Probably won't show you all of them. Just one. Doing it this way, that top side gets to cool and doesn't continue cooking towards the center. So you just do that as many times as you have to until you reach your desired temperature. All right, we're gonna call this good right here, man. 128, 127. All right, we're moving around a little bit, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. We're gonna give this a good long rest. All right, our oil is at 350 for this last fry, and we're looking for about 5 minutes. All right, we are at that 5-minute mark, man, and I am pulling these. I'm gonna let them drain for a little bit. And while these fries are hot, I'm gonna come in with a little truffle, parmesan, and black garlic powder, man. I've never had this on fries before. I think this is going to be interesting. They're nice and hot. They sound so crispy. Oh yeah. All right, let's get a plate together. All right, we've had some time to rest. And man, that looks absolutely delicious. Wow. Smells good. Let's take a look-see. Oh, I don't want to cut this entire steak because I'm not going to eat the entire steak. But wow. Look at that beautiful end-to-end pink, man. Nice and medium rare. That is on point. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Don't know how well you're able to see it. Well, folks, I'm here to tell you, man, another good cook. Perfect. Little chimichurri. With crispy truffle fries. Almost forgot my dip. Wow. Oh, man, beautiful. So Mama's out of town. I'm at home alone. I'm treating myself well. I want to thank you guys once again for hanging out with Mom and Pop Joe's. Be on the lookout for another video coming soon. I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and I will see you when we see you. Holla.